outside India, I've seen quite a few places, but I've done all the touristy stuff.
That's okay.
I've seen all the continents, barring, of course, the North and the South poles.
You've gone to South America?
Yeah.
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 कहाँ गए हो?
I was in Colombia.
Wow.
I was there in Bogota. I was there in Cali.
कैसी जगह है वो?
Beautiful. The food is outstanding. I've had the best food in South America.
Really?
Yes, and if you actually see the Bolivian, Peruvian, the Chilean food is out of this world. The fruits you eat there, आपने ऐसे fruits कभी खाए नहीं होंगे.
जैसे कि?
I mean, it's a tropical country, यार. वहाँ पे कुछ भी उठा लो तुम. And if I'm not wrong, they have the best fruits, best vegetables in the world. It's Amazon है ना वहाँ पे. I mean, Colombia has a decent chunk of Amazon. I mean, Amazon इतना बड़ा है कि it goes into, I think, 3-4 countries. The largest of it is probably, I think, in Brazil. पर वो करते करते कोलंबिया में भी है, वेनेजुएला में भी उसका एक चंक है. तो it transcends boundaries. तो डेफिनेट कोलंबिया का तो मुझे पता है. आई थिंक गुड 16-18-20% approximately Amazon is in Colombia. So the quality of food is phenomenal.
I have only 2 travel dreams that are left. One is Machu Picchu.
Peru, yeah. And the food.
I don't know about the food, but
So you should read about it.
Yeah.
So the Japanese Peruvian fusion is called Nikkei cuisine, right?
Nikkei.
Nikkei, if I'm not wrong, Nikkei cuisine. And it is a very specific fusion between Japanese and Peruvian food. And it's मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. It's phenomenal. The best food I've eaten is in South America.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't see too many Indians who've traveled to South America.
But बहुत दूर है यार. बहुत दूर है. The shortest flight is some 20 hours.
It just seems like the furthest place from India.
It is really far. 16,000 किलोमीटर बहुत होता है यार. It's 16,000 kilometers.
And there's something weird that happens to your mind when you're that far from home. At least
Weird.
It could even be Dubai. You're not at home. Okay, but the further you get, I don't know, it feels great for the first week. And then something starts shifting in you. Start valuing India a lot more.
Possible, yeah.
Happens to me a lot.
Yeah,
I get homesick by the 10th day.
Same.
Right?
10 days, 2 weeks, then you want to come back home and have dal chawal.
Dal chawal.
You want to come back home, have dal chawal.
येलो दाल चावल का एक इमेज चलता रहता था. लाल लहसुन की चटनी.
Yes.
Side
Yes.
You just want that.
Yeah. और सूखे आलू की सब्जी, दही, पापड़. मैं तो ठेचा खाता हूँ जो हरी मिर्च का बनाते हैं यहाँ पे महाराष्ट्र में. Food.
It's just that image is there at the back of your head by the 10th day.
But the weather is also phenomenal.
In Peru?
So Venezuela, Colombia, Bolivia, they are pretty close by. And yeah, the weather there is phenomenal round there.
Do they get excited about meeting Indians? Because you've come from really far.
I think I don't know if they get excited to meet Indians.
Always.
They are wonderful people though. And Colombians especially, whatever time I spent there like a month and a half. Unfortunately, एक जो perception है कोलंबिया को लेके, and it's very sad, वो सिर्फ पाब्लो एस्कोबार का है.
Yeah, and they get offended if you bring it up.
They get offended. They are so hurt by it. You know, getting offended is a different thing, but being hurt by it.
एक और perception है कोलंबिया को लेकर.
Which is?
Like natural beauty.
Women.
Yeah,
they are beautiful.
Yeah.
They are really, people are really beautiful. Some of the Venezuela, Colombia, Bolivian, like Latin American women, of course. World over, I think, you know, yeah.
The global capital of beauty, South America.
Yeah.
ऐसे कहते हैं.
Yeah, that's true.
Do you feel it when you're there?
Yeah, of course.
Like everywhere you look, there's good looking people.
Men, women, both.
Yeah.
Women especially, I think it's और है, you know, मिस वेनेजुएला के कितनी मिस यूनिवर्सेस बनी हैं यार, बहुत सारी, I think 6-7.
You know, again, from an anthropology perspective, I think it's because of cross-cultural breeding.
Very much.
right?
Very,
Local
very much,
blood
yes.
bhi,
Very, very much.
blood from Africa, blood from Europe. It's all mixed.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Probably there's just something that it's like the world of genetics trying to tell us that marry away from home.
सर मेरी तो हो गई अभी आप देख लो.
आप भी काफी मिक्स्ड हो.
हाँ काफी
Right?
काफी.
Like ethnically आपके पापा कहाँ से?
My father was born in Shimla, but he was very young when my grandfather and the entire family moved to Bombay. Then
What is he ethnically? Like
he's a
Pahadi?
Christian,
Pahadi?
Pahadi Christian.
Okay.
Yeah,
Pahadi. Then your mom is
my
Sikhni.
my mom is a Sikhni.
Punjab.
नहीं, born and raised in Bombay, but my entire Nanihal जो है, like most Sikhs and Sardars, migrated from Pakistan to their homeland during partition.
यहाँ genetics के perspective से पूछ रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
कि
Yeah.
that's why you're an intelligent man.
I hope
आप भी
I am.
crossbred हो.
हाँ, I think yeah.